Morning guys and girls, we are back at Vigilia Park. Fancy another room tour? This time it's a one-bedroom apartment. Previously we was in a two-bedroom apartment, and it was one of them rooms up there, and we had two floors with two lots of balconies. This one's a bit different. So, room 121. Let's have a look. Okay, we'll start with the kitchen, which is fully functioning. Fridge, freezer, hob, sink, microwave, all utensils you could possibly need if you wanted to self-cater, which we don't really do. Living area, which is decent again. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Nice big walk-in shower. It's all clean and tidy. Can't complain really, can you? The bedroom. It doesn't have loads of storage. You can see my stuff scattered over there on top of the suitcase stand. But my wife managed to put hers away in the cupboard. There's also a safe in there. Decent view from the window of the cliffs, which is nice. Just not bad, eh? Then you got the living area with table and chairs. I believe that is a fold-out double bed if you come with kids. But it's a comfortable sofa to just sit on. So it's not bad, eh? JVC smart TV on the wall if you want to come on holiday and sit down and watch TV all day. And there's Michelle sitting on the balcony, lounging about. And what a view we've got, look at that. It's not bad, is it, Shell?
Not at all.
So, happy days. Vigilia Park Apartments. Great place. It's a budget accommodation. It's only a 2-star, so you got to remember that. But you know, for the views you get, I don't think you'll beat it. So, happy holidays. Just thought I'd add this on to the end of the video. This is the rooftop pool up here. Look at the views. It is really amazing, beautiful. You got a lovely pool and a nice poolside bar. Does nice food and drinks and whatnot. It's lovely, eh? On the other side, I think one of them rooms was our old room previously, but you can see the ground floor pool down the bottom there. There's a mad shopping centre right below us, but this is what it's all about. So there you go.